To create our first Spring Boot project, let's go to IntelliJ IDEA and create a project. I've already created. And in the project, so what we have, right? Let's go first to our pom.xml. In our pom.xml, we are using Maven as for the build. So we are defining here the group ID, artifact, and so on. But also we are defining here, the most important part is this one, we are defining here a parent, which is the Spring Boot framework, and we are using here Spring Boot starter parent. So that's it. After that, we are defining the Java version, whatever Java version you are using, and the dependency, we are using the Spring Boot starter. And also we are using one plugin if we want to run that not from IntelliJ IDEA, but from the command line. For that, we are using Spring Boot Maven plugin. And that's it. That's all we need. And the next one is that we need to create our actual application, and we need the application properties file, right? So application properties file, we don't have anything, so it's empty. For the application, we only add one annotation here, Spring Boot application, right? We can talk about later what is the usage, how exactly it works, but that's the only annotation that we need in order to start our application. That's it. After that, we can start our application. Let's run and see that it exactly works as we expect it to work. So let's run it. And as you can see here, application started successfully.